Step into the 2007 Toyota Highlander. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include cargo shade, ABS, automatic headlights, brake assist, power mirror, tires, front all-season, and front-wheel drive. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.